give us three reasons why a Filipino would not date a foreigner?
Language po.
Would you date a foreigner?
They're intimidated by foreigners.
It's difficult to handle a foreigner. Hi! Welcome to the FUENTES Family Channel. My name is Lorie. In today's video, guys, we are going to interview beautiful Filipinas from Naga City, Bicol, Philippines. And we are going to ask them to give us three reasons why a Filipina would not date a foreigner. So let's find out. Enjoy the interview. What is your name?
Christine.
Christine, nice to meet you. How old are you, Christine?
I'm 27.
27. Wow. So, okay, you're done studying, right?
No.
Oh, you're still studying?
No. Working.
Working. May we know what's your job?
Pharmacy assistant.
Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
How long have you been single?
9 years.
9 years. Wow. Can you give us three reasons why a Filipina would not date a foreigner?
First, because of language barrier. Second, domestic violence. And the third one is cultural
Differences.
differences.
I
Yeah.
see. Okay. How about you? Would you date a foreigner?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Dream boyfriend.
What is your name?
Kyla po.
Kyla. Nice to meet you, Kyla. How old are you, Kyla?
18.
18. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Single.
Single. How long have you been single, Kyla?
Since 15.
Since
15 po.
15 years old. Are you still studying?
Yes po.
What course are you taking?
Engineering.
Engineering. Wow. You're studying here in Naga, right?
Yes po.
Can you give us three reasons why a Filipina would not date a foreigner?
First, language po.
Language,
Culture,
culture,
attitude.
attitude. Okay. Well, anyway, thank you, Kyla. Okay, how about you, Kyla? Would you date a foreigner?
Pag meron po,
If there is. Okay. So yes, your answer is yes. What is your name?
Hello, my name is Axel.
That's a very unique name. Beautiful. Axel. Nice to meet you. How old are you, Axel?
I'm 21 years old.
21. Are you single or you're in a relationship?
Yes, I'm single.
Single. For how long have you been single?
I think it's almost 1.5 years now.
1.5 years. That's quite long already. Are you ready for a new, relationship?
No, I'm not yet ready. Again.
Oh no. Okay. Anyway, are you still studying?
Yes, I'm still studying in UNC and I'm a fourth year college student now.
Wow. And what course are you taking?
I'm taking the course of BSBA, major in financial management.
Wow. So Axel must be very good at math.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not. I'm not good at math.
She's being humble, guys.
No, I'm being honest.
Okay, anyway, Axel, can you give us three reasons why a Filipina would not date a foreigner?
Oh, that's a tough question. But I think 3 reasons why Filipina don't want to date a foreigner is because one, or first, language barriers. Second, cultural differences. And third, Filipino mentality.
Mentality. I love the last answer, Axel. Well, anyway, Axel, how about you? Would you date a foreigner?
For me, I think yes, because or anyone in this world, I just follow what my heart wants.
That's beautiful. I love that one. What is your name?
Alina Gumabaw.
Alina?
Alina.
Alina. Very cute. Alina. Nice to meet you, Alina. How old are you, Alina?
I'm 21.
21. Are you still studying?
Yes.
What course are you taking?
BSCE,
What is that?
Civil Engineering.
Oh my God, civil engineering. That's beautiful. I'm so proud of you. Okay, anyway, Alina, are you single or you're in a relationship?
I'm single.
Single. For how long have you been single?
Since birth.
Since birth. That's good. That's good. Okay, anyway, Alina, what year are you now anyway?
Second year.
Second year college. Okay, 2 more years and you will graduate. Civil engineering, beautiful. Okay. Anyway, Alina, can you give us 3 reasons why a Filipina would not date a foreigner?
For me, my number one reason is a language barrier because a lot of Filipinos don't know sometimes they don't know the basic English. And my second one is they're intimidated by foreigners. So that's why they don't want to try. And my last reason is different cultures. We have different cultures, and sometimes what's normal in our country is not normal in their culture.
That's very beautiful. I love your answer, Selena. Okay. For you, how about you? Would you date a foreigner, Alina?
Yes.
What is your name po?
Anna.
Anna. That's a very beautiful name. Nice to meet you, Mom Anna. Ma'am. Okay, anyway, how old are you, Anna?
20 po.
20. Oh! Are you still working?
Hmm.
I mean, are you working?
Yep.
Yes. May we know what's your job or what's your work?
Sa call center po.
Oh, call center agent. Call center agent. Okay, well, that's beautiful. Okay. Anyway, can you give us, Anna, 3 reasons why a Filipina would not date a foreigner?
Para sa akin, awkward. Siya, di ko tayo.
Awkward, deep type, and
Parang mahirap.
mahirap. Mahirap ano? In a way, what?
Pakisamahan, ganyan.
Pakisamahan. Okay, so for Anna, in her opinion, for her, it's like awkward to be with foreigner, right? And then it's hard to be with, right? And last one is,
Mahirap mag-handle.
it's difficult to handle a foreigner. Have you ever had like experience with a foreigner before, like in a relationship with a foreigner? No, I see. Well, thank you so much, Anna. Salamat.
Beautiful reflections are all I can see as I